Firstly, like and subscribe because today we're diving into a detailed review of the all-new 2026 Porsche Cayenne, a luxury performance SUV that blends Porsche's iconic sports car DNA with the practicality and elegance of a premium family vehicle. The moment you lay eyes on it, the Cayenne immediately stands out with its bold and futuristic design. The front fascia features sleek matrix LED headlights, a more aggressive grille, and sculpted aerodynamic lines that give it an athletic yet sophisticated look. Its profile is enhanced by flush-fitting door handles, muscular arches, and massive 22-inch wheels that give it presence and power on the road. At the rear, the continuous LED light bar stretches across the width of the SUV, merging seamlessly into Porsche's modern styling language, while the dual exhausts and subtle roof spoiler emphasize its performance-focused character. When it comes to performance, the Cayenne doesn't disappoint. Porsche is offering a range of powertrains, starting with a twin-turbocharged V6 producing around 400 horsepower, delivering a perfect balance of daily usability and excitement. For those craving more thrill, the twin-turbo V8 Turbo S cranks out over 600 horsepower, giving the Cayenne supercar-level acceleration despite its SUV size. Porsche has also stepped into the electrified era with a hybrid variant that combines electric motors with a combustion engine, delivering instant torque and allowing 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. Handling is another strong point, with Porsche active suspension management, adaptive air suspension, and rear axle steering making the SUV feel agile and planted, even on winding roads. The engineering ensures that this large SUV drives with the spirit of a Porsche sports car, keeping the experience engaging, sharp, and exhilarating. Inside, the 2026 Cayenne is a world of luxury and cutting-edge technology. The interior is crafted with premium leather, carbon fiber details, and brushed aluminum finishes that reflect Porsche's meticulous attention to detail. The driver's cockpit feels futuristic with a curved 12.6-inch digital display, a central infotainment screen, and even a dedicated passenger screen so co-drivers can interact with navigation or media. Comfort is a priority with heated and ventilated seats, ambient lighting, and a panoramic glass roof that enhances the sense of space. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, their own climate zones, and optional entertainment displays, making this SUV practical for family trips as well as luxury commutes. Cargo space is versatile, ensuring you can pack for long journeys without compromising comfort or style. Technology and safety have also been upgraded to the latest standards. The Cayenne comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, and emergency braking systems. Porsche's semi-autonomous driving mode helps with highway cruising, while features like a 360-degree camera, night vision assist, and traffic jam assist make city driving easier and safer. For audiophiles, the optional Burmester 3D sound system transforms the cabin into a premium concert-like experience. Pricing for the 2026 Porsche Cayenne reflects its luxury and performance. The base V6 model starts at around $90,000, the V8 Turbo climbs to about $125,000, while the top Turbo S and hybrid performance models reach over $160,000. With customization options, a fully loaded Cayenne can surpass $180,000, making it a serious contender among luxury SUVs like the Lamborghini Urus or Bentley Bentayga. The 2026 Porsche Cayenne is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement of performance, style, and innovation. It brings the thrill of a Porsche sports car into the practicality of a luxury SUV, redefining what a high-performance family vehicle can be. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed car reviews coming your way.